It's another beautiful sunny day here in the Colorado Rocky Mountains. There is a small amount of wind, a small amount of wind, but nevertheless, we're gonna be productive today. One of the things I'm gonna do is check and make sure all the doors, windows, and roofs are all still attached and in their appropriate locations. Let's get to it. Oh yeah, the dog is having a blast. I hope you enjoyed the day as much as I did. I got some much needed work done on the fence, which is important for two reasons. Number one, to keep the local wildlife out of the garden and keep the local wildlife away from our pets. They do carry diseases that we don't want our pets to get, and they tend to eat our garden as well. So it's important for both of those reasons to fence off your property when homesteading. That way you make sure to avoid those problems. Thank you for watching and have a great day.